dear students, please welcome to my channel English with Nana sir. In this video, I have brought for you the grammar MCQ questions from the topic How to Identify Simple Sentences using simple tips and tricks of the grammar rules. And I have tried to cover all types of simple sentences here so that it can help you in your board exam. So let's learn these IMP grammar MCQs now. How to identify simple sentences. 7 MCQ questions with tips and tricks. Tips and tricks to identify the simple sentence. See these words in the beginning of the simple sentence always. In spite of, despite of, in addition to, having, on, by, etc. Simple sentence has only one clause and it is always a main clause with one subject and one tense verb. That is the verb which can tell the tense of the sentence. For example, I went to market yesterday to buy vegetables. Here, went is tense verb because it is telling the tense of the sentence, that is past tense. But another word, to buy, is not telling the tense of the sentence. So we don't think of it as tense verb. So there is only one tense verb in the sentence. Got it? Now let's see the MCQ questions. Question number 1. Identify the simple sentence. Option A. I don't know that when will he like to go. Option B. They are working hard so that they will pass. Option C. She is eating a cake. Option D. He cannot see clearly unless he wears glasses. The correct answer is option C. She is eating a cake. No, why? There is one tense verb, is eating, and one clause with one subject, she, and one verb. Therefore, this is simple sentence. Question number 2. Identify the simple sentence. Option A. She is very kind to me since I fell ill. Option B. Honorable Prime Minister went to Delhi to attend the meeting. Option C. I shall show you my garden after you take rest. Option D. Carry it carefully lest it will break. Dear students, please identify the simple sentence here. The correct answer is option B. Honorable Prime Minister went to Delhi to attend the meeting. No, why? There is only one clause with one subject, Honorable Prime Minister, and one tense verb, went. And the clause is a main clause. Question number 3. Identify the simple sentence. Option A. In spite of doing hard study, he could not appear for exam. Option B. He gave me a book which I like very much. Option C. If I know him, I would invite him. Option D. Man is the only animal which can laugh. Dear students, please identify the simple sentence. The correct answer is option A. In spite of doing hard study, he could not appear for exam. No, why? See, there is a word in spite of in the beginning of the sentence, and there is only one clause in the sentence with one subject, he, and one tense verb, could not appear. And the clause is a main clause. Therefore, it is a simple sentence. Question number 4. Identify the simple sentence. Option A. Though she is rich, she is not happy. Option B. I saw a girl who was singing a song. Option C. He returned and he was smiling. Option D. Having taken food, I left for office. Dear students, please identify the simple sentence. The correct answer is option D. Having taken food, I left for office. No, why? See the word having in the beginning of the sentence, and there is only one clause with only one subject, I, and one tense verb, left. And the clause is a main clause. Question number 5. Identify the simple sentence. Option A. I am going to Pune as I have some work there. Option B. On seeing the tiger, the deer ran faster to save its life. Option C. Since she was late, she was punished. Option D. Ramesh did good acting and won people's applause. Dear students, please identify the simple sentence. The correct answer is option B. On seeing the tiger, the deer ran faster to save its life. No, why? See, there is on word in the beginning of the sentence, and there is only one clause with one subject, the tiger, and one tense verb, ran, and the clause is a main clause. Question number 6. Identify the simple sentence. Option A. Indian cricket team won the match and made the country proud. Option B. Tea is not only cold but also bitter. Option C. When I will get money, I will pay your debt. Option D. Being late, Rahul was punished. Dear students, please identify the simple sentence. The correct answer is option D. Being late, Rahul was punished. No, why? See, there is a word being in the beginning of the sentence, and there is only one clause, and it is the main clause with one subject, Rahul, and one tense verb, was punished. Question number 7. Identify the simple sentence. Option A. In addition to drawing, I am good at singing. Option B. Police are not able to control the crime because the ministers are not supporting them. Option C. Come with me if you want to live. Option D. I wrote all answers but I got less marks. Dear students, please identify the simple sentence here. The correct answer is option A. In addition to drawing, I am good at singing. No, why? See, there is a word in addition to in the beginning of the sentence, and there is only one clause, and it is the main clause with one subject, I, and one tense verb, am. Therefore, it is the simple sentence. Thank you, my dear students.